What up, YouTube?
Yo, yo, yo.
What's going on?
Yo.
How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? It's Out and About Saturdays in these streets, going to places by word of mouth.
And it starts right now.
Welcome back to another episode of Dion and Tony. It's your boy Dion.
Tony is here.
Welcome to our world where it's not a show, but it's our life.
That's right, babe.
Hey, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. We appreciate all your love support. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, bring a friend. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. Come on and enjoy your ride.
Fasten your seatbelts because this is another banger. And look, it's Saturday. Got something special for you guys today. Listen, we have my co-workers coming through for this, what do I call it? Lituation, this shindig,
little out and about
cookout shindig, or whatever you want to call
some
it.
Backyard fun.
Yeah, backyard fun, and you know they like to have fun. So we hoping we'll get some epic moments. And we're on our way now. We just left the barbershop. Well, we already left the barbershop, rather. We stopped at the grocery store, as you can see. And now we're on our way back to outside to stop at another one to get some string beans.
Yeah, they didn't have the green beans that we were looking for.
Right. The Hanover kind. They had, at the other store, they had the Glory. You know, the Glory has its own seasoning and it tastes the same to me. So the blue, I don't know, I think it's the Hanover brand, the big thing. You able to season your own string beans, and I want to use some turkey neck. So that's what we're on our way now to do, and
as well as other seasonings, not just turkey neck.
Well, right, like,
you're right. All you gonna do is just put a turkey neck in there.
You gonna just put turkey neck in there? That's not enough salt. Okay. All right. Listen. Hey. Oh. The cicadas are attacking. They're out there. Them Mitches are out there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Hold on.
No, she's about to do some. Look, she say she did. Look stupid. All right. We're excited.
Did you just fry your face?
No.
Oh, okay.
He's trying it. You're trying it real bad. So we're excited. We can't wait. Right now we're doing our norm, you know, the barbershop, the grocery store, making sure we get all of that in, the liquor store, you know, so that we can set up or finish setting up for this special event. So that's what we're on our way doing. I got a bump coming in. What are the odds of having a bump coming in on a day? It ain't no bump. Don't you do that. Don't do that. But anyway, you guys probably don't see it, but it's down here. And it's so irritating. I tried to put... No. I tried to put hot compresses on it. And I got that word a lot from my mom, because she always put a hot compress on it. It'll go down, and it's a whitehead. That joint ain't trying to go nowhere. It's trying to be seen. I know, it's trying to be seen. You know, I don't know if y'all remember that video, Blimmy and Pimp. Man, this is Pimp, okay? Pimp said, I'm gonna show up underneath the lip. All right, so we're here at, what is this?
The grocery store.
We're at the grocery store. He's trying to be funny. Going in here to get some stuff for this little shindig. Backyard shindig is what I'll call it. Yeah. Well, they see what it is because it's right there. Sprite's right. Sprite's right. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. Hoping that everyone brings enough stuff or whatever they need. All right, so we got everything we need. Oh no, we don't have everything we need. What's wrong?
I didn't know you was recording.
It's all good.
I thought Keep talking to yourself.
Yeah, come on now. So excited, so excited that I get to have my co-workers at the house. And we'll finally have this cookout or this hookup that we supposed to have been doing for the longest time. Shout out to Jessica, because you've been the one like on it. So yeah, that's what we're doing at the house. Hopefully it's gonna be an epic event. On that note, we're gonna go ahead, we'll be back. And
now we just gotta rush home and finish doing what we gotta do to make sure the house is ready. It's now 1:51.
Yeah.
And people supposed to start arriving about 4.
And we also picked up some checkers on the way, just to put some stuff on our stomach. And, you know, start drinking versus not having nothing
in our system right before they try to make the gag.
Exactly.
Right. So they like to do a lot of shots. I've been out with them maybe once or twice.
Yeah. And
they like to do a lot of shots. So I gotta be ready. Period.
We be back. All right, about to go into this Dollar Tree. Hopefully get some shot glasses or shot cups that they have in here. Tired. So the line was long in the dollar store, so I decided to leave Dion and come over to Shoppers so I can get ice and the string beans. I know this is pointless, guys, but just trying to let y'all know what we doing. Because we need to hurry up at the house. It never fails. Every cookout that we have, we always running behind and late. You stay ready. You don't have to always get ready. That's my motto of the day. Period. So they don't have the string beans. They all out. They are all out. So we're over the string beans today. We just going to now pick up the chicken and the seafood salad and be on our way to the house and rush like crazy.
Hello, good peoples. Hopefully I can drown the music out. But I'm outside sweating behind me in the backyard grilling or whatever. It's a fit for the day. Just saying, that's what I'm feeling like. Some of the side of the house. Y'all want to see the plants I planted? You see, I don't know. Y'all see they starting to grow. But anyway, we're here. The friends, some of the co-workers are downstairs. Music playing in the backyard. So, you know, of course, won't be able to get much. But I'll show you. Got some hot dogs in the grill right now. It'll be in the fridge cooler. We out here.
No, you good. It's just recording, you guys. Music is playing. It's not gonna let me. They're coming, everyone. Some of them are running a little late. You look fuzzy. Paulina said, oh, when I press record, like I was going to say something to
It was like, hey, how's everything going? I'm like, it's great.
Shout out to Grandma.
Stop! You said what now? You can't even. Yeah. You didn't know that? They can't hear this conversation. They whatever they talking about. You see ring me on the camera on the ones and twos, you know. yeah, you know. Now you said that they're bringing prunes, Dion.
Oh yeah, they're drinking water.
So guys, these are my ex-co-workers. But I love them dearly. It was the best team where we were working at. And yes, I'm just happy to have them in my presence. So
We don't talk about work at work, I mean, on the channel.
yeah, we don't say anything because it's like more so like.
We don't need any Karen.
So here we are right here. We got Mr. Cherry. I ain't gonna give you the first name. I ain't gonna definitely give you the first name, but he getting it in with these crabs or whatever. This is my work boo. This was the director. I won't tell you exactly. Y'all know I don't tell you where I work at, but I'm gonna tell you this was the director. He was my manager. I miss him dearly, and he showed up today. Yes, look, first couple, you know, this
It's been about an hour and a half, maybe 2.
this bitch can drink. Now, I don't know what's going on. And y'all see Stace. Y'all remember Stace and her son, Nehemiah. We did a story on him. So, yeah, we getting it in over here, you know. We be big.
So yeah, we're downstairs in the basement.
Hey!
With,
Chilling with my former co-workers or whatever, you know, we about to get it in.
And current, because he's still
Yeah,
working
and
with her.
current. Exactly.
Current, we got current right
We got Remy here, you know.
Not for long.
Oh damn.
But this is not all. Some of them are upstairs and they're still eating. But we about to get a shot in.
Tony said you don't want to drink that.
Connie, what's that?
That is, okay, you know what?
It's cognac, I think.
Yeah. And it tastes like...
Yeah, I say go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it, bro.
He's going to be like, yo.
You're home. Like, you can go sleep
I
upstairs.
need you.
We
Exactly.
got rooms.
Exactly.
Taking it.
However...
We're still waiting.
Are we waiting on you?
Are they coming right now?
Okay.
Oh, they...
Probably can. Yeah, it's cool. But I was like,
Who?
like,
Yeah,
I
they
want
said
my
she
drink
went
closet.
outside.
She better go eat.
Oh, she went to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do a shot without her. And then
And then we'll do a shot with her.
My cousin,
Period.
I'll show you.
You tasted it?
Of course.
You always do that because you did with the pasta. All right.
Why is your shot so low?
Why is mine?
Oh,
See, that's why I don't like playing with y'all.
Tony, are you going to give a little speech?
Come on, it's really hot.
I've been drinking. Okay, go.
I just want to say that I'm so excited to have my work booze all with me today. Shout out to Jessica because, you know, it was all her. Oh, I'm spilling and whatever. It's all her. And, you know, it wouldn't be nothing if she didn't say we need to get together and get this done.
Period.
So, yeah, we about to sit here and have this shot. And I love each and every one of y'all. You know, y'all my work babies. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, my Lord.
Are we going to...
I don't want to
3, 2, 1, cheers.
See, it wasn't bad, Stace, right?
On God, mothers.
That wasn't bad, right? On mama.
On mothers.
What was that?
That was Jose, right? Quavo.
Did y'all have one?
Like crack for real? Like
Crack, cocaine,
who does
crack.
crack? Not coke. Like I'm
That's
sorry,
what
we
it
ain't
said.
got
Never
that.
ever
I'm
done
sorry.
Not crack.
Not crack.
Never,
Right.
never have I ever had sex on my lunch
Press
break.
pause, that's
On your lunch break?
Okay.
That's the what?
It had to be my lunch break or a lunch break.
Tony, never have I ever had sex on a lunch break.
I gotta put my
Y'all put a finger down.
Finger,
Yeah.
put your finger down. Thanks.
No, we started over.
Yeah, we started
It'll be
over.
rough sometimes. It's a
But-
long day. It's a long day working
So
from
you
home.
need a midday. You need a midday pick me up.
You need a
Like-
midday break.
You need a midday pick me up.
You had sex on your lunch break?
Okay.
April, mind your business.
Oh, it could be other people's lunch break.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Okay, never have I ever dated my sibling's ex.
Ooh.
Dated your sibling's ex.
No, my sister's 10 years younger. Heck no.
No.
Never knew.
Never dated my brother's ex-girlfriends.
You sure?
Hey, yeah, I don't know.
Never have I ever Don't do had that. sex while someone
Unless
else
I
was
do-
sleeping in the same room.
Wait, what is it?
While someone else had sex.
Put a finger down, thanks.
3. You put a finger down. Put a finger down. You never had sex while no one sleeping in the room.
Somebody was in the
Oh,
room.
that's weird.
They were awake.
That's worse.
Oh my god!
Yo! I love her.
Okay, baby Megan. Okay.
She's covering me too much.
Ains, where you at, man?
She's covering me too much
Yes,
tonight.
go, Ace. Yes.
Never have I ever had played chicken with someone in an electric wheelchair. No.
Oh, no.
No.
Okay, it's my turn. What's mine? Let me see mine. Oh, wow. Never have I ever had revenge sex.
Oh,
Yeah, put your finger down,
I
thanks.
know.
Uh-huh.
I ain't petty. I ain't petty.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I am. I can be. All right. Never have I ever kept a secret from my partner, and when they found out, it ended our relationship. No.
I ain't messy.
It ain't in the
No.
It ain't in the relationship.
It might have enhanced it, but no. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Never have I ever given a homeless person money just because they had a dog.
Yeah, with they dogs, and you feel bad. Like you feel bad.
I thought I was gonna say I never did it to get good karma. Cause sometimes I be doing it to get good karma.
Right.
And I'm like, is that bad?
I think you need a shot just because. But go ahead. April, where you at?
Never have I ever taken Adderall to be the most productive person ever.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
you
no.
can't
Yes.
get through college.
Adderall,
without
really?
All right. Right.
You can't get
Exams
through
every
college.
semester.
Every
Look at-
semester.
eating it for breakfast.
Oh, so y'all gotta put
See,
your
I
fingers
wish I
down.
had that.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
All right, my
That's
go.
me. Thank you.
Never have I ever traded sex for favors.
Oh.
Sometimes I don't feel like doing the dishes. Like, hey.
Oh.
It's hard sometimes.
Damn.
Dishes, I hate
That's
dishes.
really hard. Like,
That's my least favorite.
hey, I need some. Take the trash out.
So he's like, hold on. Let's regroup.
Tony, you still got two.
I still
All
got
right.
two. I'm to get mine.
She got one left.
Never.
I feel so good.
You about to lose. Never have I ever accepted drinks from someone and then didn't talk to them the rest of the night.
Oh, take a shot. Take a shot. Shot.
Wait,
Shot.
wait.
Shot.
I need something clear.
No.
What if it was mutual? What if they just said
No.
Same difference.
Nah, you know what I mean.
Same difference.
The game is over. Take a shot.
Take a shot.
We both taking drinks and then walked away for the rest of the night. You
Thank
know?
God I'm a heavyweight
like
champ.
that.
So,
Period.
We've all done that.
knock them out. Knock them
We've all
out.
just wanted a free drink at the end of the day.
This my go?
Yeah.
Never have I.
Oh, no,
starting
I'm sorry.
over.
I'm saying Jessica.
Jessica's
Starting
turn.
over.
Yeah, Jessica.
Oh, okay.
Never have I ever been hammered with my mother or father.
Shit, give me a shot. I mean, no,
My mom
I'm sorry. Let me put one.
My dad
Wait,
gets
what
down.
was it?
My dad is.
My mom would have been here tonight, but she didn't show up. I'm just saying.
Never have you ever been like I guess
Like twisted with your mom.
With your mom.
Oh.
Nah, I haven't.
Yeah.
Is that Matt? That's one.
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
I put one down. I
You
put
gotta
one
pick
down.
one.
I put one
I
down.
know. It's your go, Ace.
Did Jessica go?
Yeah, she said that. She said that.
Oh. Okay. This is going back.
Oh, it's my goal. Never have I ever drank something other than liquor to get drunk, i.e. hand sanitizer. No.
That's
crazy.
I mean, but they didn't say beer though. But I drink beer to get twisted, so I'm putting.
So I put it down.
They didn't just hand sanitizer.
You drink hand sanitizer?
Not hand sanitizer,
No, I'm not that
but
desperate.
beer
I'm not
or
that desperate.
I'm not that
It said
desperate.
it's liquor to get
I'm
drunk.
gonna tell you
Yeah.
that
Liquor.
I'll drink
Liquor.
whatever's here. If it's no,
yeah,
whatever.
beer. Beer's it's going you, you can.
It's me.
Yeah.
Never have I ever broken up with an ex over text message.
Yes.
Or not even an ex. It just said
After
broken up
3
with
years.
someone.
Oh,
Yeah.
I guess I can
Come get your shit.
I need a plug.
come get your shit.
Just waiting for you right here.
God damn it. Never have I ever chosen to play video games over sex.
I hate video games.
Hell no.
April.
Oh, yes, me.
Tony,
Tony, where's yours?
Tony. Yeah.
You went?
I went.
All right, so this is the one I had. Never have I ever done a keg stand.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
Really?
Shoot, I've definitely done those.
When you do like a keg stand, like somebody lift you up and do a keg? Oh wow.
Yeah.
I've never done that.
Yeah.
And you have like that sprout in your mouth.
I'm too tall.
You about to be lit out here in the streets,
Like
Sleep outside.
like look, we're trying to save you. Listen.
She about to be sleeping.
But pretty soon, April, you'll go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Never have I ever laughed so hard I peed myself.
Dang.
Yeah, that happened.
Yeah.
Dang.
That's happened.
We said
I'll put a
dang.
finger down on that one.
Never have I ever hopped on the back of a stranger's motorcycle or Vespa.
Nope.
I have.
Let me fix your
No.
Hold on, let's go upstairs so I can fix it.
Never have I ever hopped on the back of a stranger's motorcycle or Vespa. There you have one.
The back of a stranger's motorcycle?
I did.
Yeah, me too.
Really?
Yeah.
Where were you at?
Wasn't my
I was in
proudest
Jersey.
In Jersey.
Jersey
Yeah.
Shore?
Not like overseas or anything.
I was in the Jersey Shore.
You're crazy.
And again, me.
Had to get them before they leave. Had to get them. You had to get them. Hey, look, we playing the game downstairs, but I said let me run on up. I hear y'all still walking around or whatever. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. We'll see them later. We'll definitely see them later.
You sure will.
Say that again.
I said you sure will see us again.
Bang! Okay?
Oh mama.
On mothers.
Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm. Just one more round. Never have I ever had an orgasm while driving.
Oh, what?
Now get into that. Get into that one. I said it. Oh, never have I ever had an orgasm while driving. You know, you're trying it. You ain't never had nobody be like,
Why you drive?
Let me give you head while you driving.
My windows are very clear. Oh, maybe tense, but no. My windows are very.
yo. So y'all seen the co-workers, y'all seen the games, y'all seen everything. We had a good time tonight, right?
Very good time. Look, so we decided we're gonna have this like every maybe once a month or maybe every 2 months, just to get together with your coworkers. You
His
know, like I said, they
colleagues,
are
or
my. What did Paulina say?
Colleagues?
No, she used another word, not ex coworkers, but
Your former
former
colleague.
coworkers. And I think
Former
that's the right word
colleagues. Yeah.
because it don't seem so bad. But yeah, so. I look cute.
On that note, we thank you guys for watching. We appreciate all your love and support.
Yes, baby.
Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Hey.
Tell a friend, bring a friend. New
Come on,
videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday
come
at 10 a.m.
Come on. You are entering another banger. And when I say a banger, I mean a banger.
So on that note, we love you guys. We thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
We lit.
Peace.
We lit. No, we ain't gonna say no peace right now. We gonna say all that we need to say. And that is, we love y'all so much. We thank y'all so much for the support. We want you to come on through, interact with us in the comment section, subscribe, like. I ain't never do this before, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spill it now.
Do it every time.
I'm gonna spill it now. They need to know.
Peace out.
We'll see y'all on the next video. We love y'all. Peace.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Dion Tony. It's your boy Dion.
And how you doing that by your damn self, young?
Hey, Tony's here. So Tony's here.
Yeah, Tony's here, but Tony's here.
Okay, welcome to our world where it's not a show, but it's our life.
That's right, babe.
So it's a Saturday night session. We chilling, cooling with the Magruders. Shout out to the Magruders. It's freezing in here, I feel. And out here, fellas, it's... they out here cooling with us. They're cooling with us on a Saturday night session. That's April in the background. Hello, April.
Take her out.
So we here, Saturday night session. We might play a game later, but we just getting started. It's not a show.
Not a show. It's a motherfucking lie.